Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Nicole from nikolebeautyco. I am pressed for time today, and so we are going to go into a quick look with Lolita por Vida from Kat Von D Beauty. If you have not seen this, I have other videos on it. Check this out. We're just going to do an everyday look because, like I said, pressed for time, for reals, not for fakesies. Okay, so we are going to go in with my Pinrose Sephora brush. We are going to use Enamorada, which is a pinky beige color. And I'm going to use that on 3/4 of the lid as a base. It's a very flattering color. I think it would be great for almost any light or medium skin tone. I don't know that this would show if your skin tone was dark, but a very, very flattering color. Of course, my face is prepped. I have moisturized, I have foundation on, I have brows on, and that's to save time with the video. I'm going to do my best to make this a 5-minute video. And I'm doing short repetitive strokes, just kind of dispersing the pigment over the lid. Look straight ahead just to make sure that we're pretty even. Next, using an e.l.f. short shader brush, as many things roll off my table, we're gonna go into Juanita, which is a medium brown, just to deepen up the corner, and I'm flicking that color towards the center from what will become kind of a very light cat's eye. And I'm taking that under the waterline as well. And this is the eye that I have the horrible scar on, if you haven't been with me before. So my blending is always a challenge on that eye because I have a very large concave scar. I'm gonna do my finger with Destina, which is a champagne shimmer. And taking a fluffy brush, I'm just kind of making sure the edges are very soft as they kind of disappear off into my face. And using my fingertip, I was able to just press my extra Destina shadow. And that is the end of that. Very light, just an everyday look, nothing crazy. We're gonna go in with this very light peach tone. So I'm gonna pop on my mascara and my eyeliner and lipstick off camera. I will be back for a final dusting of highlighter. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is a great everyday look. This would be good for work, this would be good for school, this would be good for anything that you were doing that you wanted basically just a really neutral, soft look. You weren't trying to glam it out. But I am gonna go in with a little bit, because I can't not, of my Kat Von D Alchemy holographic palette. I am gonna use some pink opal because I feel like that highlighter would best suit this look. I'm doing a pretty wide motion going from here all the way up to there because I want my face to be seen from outer space. That's what's happening. That's what's going down. You know, I really like this highlighter on the skin. It seems kind of not so cool in the palette because it does seem to have a lot of fallout in the palette. But on the skin, I think it's absolutely beautiful, particularly on mature skin, which you always want to kind of be careful of because you don't want to emphasize any fine lines or anything like that, but pink opal, I really like it. and it was only $10 on sale. So I don't know if it was on sale because it's just not selling or it's close to expired, but for 4 shimmers, I am very much a fan. And I'm emphasizing kind of like the side of my face here. And then I'm just going over with whatever powder is left on my big fluffy brush. This is the F20 by Sigma. So this is my super quick 5-minute, I gotta get out the door. I have Anastasia of Beverly Hills brows on using just the pomade and the soft brown color. Also, I have mascara. It's the Collosal Volume Express Waterproof Cat's Eyes. You guys know I'm having a little moment with my Charlotte Tilbury mascara, but this is just quick, it's easy. Not that Charlotte Tilbury isn't quick and easy, but I just felt like Maybelline. This is just a standard look for me, you know. This is, I'm going to the bank, I gotta talk to some people, I got some tattoo appointments, I'm not trying to make it complicated, and I am ready to go. So hopefully you like it. 5 minutes out the door, nothing crazy. I think this is perfectly acceptable day look if you're not looking for something glam. So please, if you like my work, like, comment, subscribe, share, let me know what you'd like to see, because I am here for you to entertain, educate, and inspire. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for spending part of it with me. Be the fantastic you I know you are. Ciao.